This is the mixed greenery Napa Valley millennial design. Featuring a lot of greens and less flowers. It's what all the kids are wanting these days, all the rage. So here's how you do it. Watch carefully. You're going to start with a nice focal flower, which should very easily be a couple of mini callas, one single hydrangea. But look what I'm doing. I'm greening all around this flower. I'm starting with the base of lemon leaf. All the way around, every side. You just want to lay these greens through your design using just the very tips of the leaves. I don't want to see big branchy leaves sticking out. You're going to waste a lot of it, but you got to cup it all the way around. Look at that, pretty already. So this is the opposite of an English mass design. This would be a solid, which would be a solid ball of flowers. This we're intermixing green, 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 green. Here comes some little magnolia. Drop in a little magnolia. I say toss the salad. Get that salad tossing. There's some magnolia. Now we've surrounded this flower with green, so it's time to add another flower. Here's a pretty peony. I'll add a peony there and a peony here. And then what am I going to do? Green, 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 green around those. Take some more of that lemon leaf, which works really well, and go all around those flowers. See how I'm doing it? I'm going to try and hold it sideways, work sideways for you. So I'm cupping my green, just the tips, all the way around that flower. Then maybe I'll add another flower, green hydrangea, and add a little magnolia. Again, mix up the greens. Switching hands, I'm going to work from this side now. I'm going to put another green hydrangea in there. It's pretty already. I'm going to add some seeded uke berries into my design. So it's green, 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 flower. Green, 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 flower. You won't forget that, will you? There's a little more. You can hand this to your neighbor as a dinner party gift. You can get married in it. There's a lot of things you could do. So now I'm going to add a little, ooh, look, we've got some hanging. Nice hanging style stuff. When it hangs too much, you just go back around, grab another green, and prop it up. Next, what else do we have? Oh, how about some color? We'll add some blush pink rose, peachy roses to our design. Again, sideways to your design. What's a wedding without roses if you're getting married with this? Green, 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 green around the edge again. Now I'm going to dig deep. Ooh, I got more. Here's the white heather. I put some heather in there. Put a little heather in there, flying out. White Irish heather. So there you go. See how pretty it is? With just green, 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 green. I can tuck some in or pull some out. 3 minutes. Ooh, we got some Italian. Eucalyptus. Pretty. It's kind of a gray color. And so I'm going to wrap this bouquet up. I can make it really big or really difficult. Nice and simple. Pull some flowers up so they show a little bit better. See where I need holes. See right over here, I got to fill it. Right over there. What should I fill with? Bring that rose up a little bit. And a little more lemon leaf. Lemon leaf to collar. So I accomplished this design to review by adding a flower and then green, green, green all the way around it. Mixing up the greens, tossing that salad. Those are all key phrases you're going to remember when you're doing this. Beautiful. I need one more thing over there. I'm going to pop one more white peony or rose, or maybe one of each. I think I need a little more green, a little more lemon leaf. Just a touch right there, and a touch of, look at the last touch. There you go. There's your pretty hand-tied bouquet. I'm going to bring it up to the camera so you can see it's all done in about 3 minutes. You wire this up, and you're good to go. There it is. See it? Peonies, hydrangeas, roses, and the various assorted greens. So, easy breezy summer design by Michael Gaffney. You can get these designs and all these great how-tos by going to flowerschool101.com. I'm going to take it and use my coffee pot. How's that for a morning bouquet? I'll get it in there. There. Good morning, darling. That's how I would greet you every morning. FlowerSchool101.com. My books are available on the website. I've got Paris, Flower Power, and Design Star. You need the trilogy. And everything you can do so that when you pick up flowers, you bring them home, two things happen. They look gorgeous when you're done, and most importantly, they last you 2 to 3 weeks. Follow my tips.